The only difference between the complete Airwrap and the complete long Airwrap is the length of the curl and barrel attachments. So in the normal complete set, you'll have your two 40mm barrels this size and your two 30mm barrels this size as well. In the complete long, you'll have your two 40mm barrels, which are much longer, as you can see. So this is them side by side. So there's a lot more space on the barrel for long hair, example, my length kind of hair, to wrap around the barrel while it curls. And you'll also have two of the 30mm barrels also long, so you can see them side by side with these, so a good bit longer again. All of the rest of the attachments are the exact same size, so your pre-styler, your two smoothing brushes and your volumizer, they're all going to be still the same size as they would be in the complete, so the only difference will be the size of the two curling barrels. If you have any more questions or queries, you can comment below this video.